Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps uploading on the application of Yazio. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. Here if you find update you can update your app. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.